We woke up to chaos.
Yes, we did.
Look who it is. Ellie.
Oh, you having fun in the dirt?
Kitty, kitty. Why? Why? Your mom's plant went bye-bye.
Yeah, it did. You having fun rolling around in it, too. At first I thought it was like a diaper because of the toll fever.
It's a Raincast diaper. Ellie.
Ellie, why? Why would you do that?
How do you teach cats not to do stuff like that? Do you rub their face in the dirt?
I guess. Slap his nose, maybe?
Why? Bad kitty. Do cats understand bad kitty?
I don't know. Not as smart as
Tippy.
Why don't you stop her? You're an accomplice in this.
You're supposed to come tell us.
Yeah.
Tippy, why?
You're going down for this tea, Tippy. Going down for it. I'm sending your doggy jail. 2 days. Get out of her vagina.
Damn cat.
It just happened too, because when I went up to make my soda, it wasn't like that. The bad kitty kitty. Feed up.
Clean up your mess, cat. What is that all over the couch?